My name is أجيني, but in my native language it sounds like Evgenia. I come from Ukraine and have loved drawing since childhood. This passion prompted me to go to a children's art school and then continue my art education at the Ushinsky South Ukrainian National Pedagogical University in Odessa. Today I'm not just an artist, but also an art teacher with 8 years of experience behind me. I like to use different art materials such as pencils, watercolors, soft pastels, acrylics, oil paints, gouache, and sometimes even mix them or make collages. Although I'm still finding my style, I usually focus on two main themes in my work: nature and people. Sketching is also one of my favorite pastimes, be it sketching landscapes, people, plants, or transport in different countries and cities. My works have taken part in online exhibitions and are presented in the Saatchi Art and Art Major online galleries. And I'm very pleased to take part in the 14th International Creators Forum of Fine Art in Canada.